Robots are no longer just machines, they are becoming part of our everyday lives. From homes to hospitals, and even in space, they are doing amazing human-like tasks. They clean, cook, deliver, and even talk to people in ways never seen before. They are changing work, travel, health, and entertainment with smart movements and fast thinking. In 2025, robots are not just tools, but trusted helpers across the world. They act faster, learn quicker, and never get tired no matter the job they face. What once sounded like a dream is now real and growing stronger each day. Humans and robots now work together, making life easier, smarter, and more exciting than ever. Like and subscribe to discover how robots are changing the world in this new age. Now let us explore what these powerful machines can really do in the year 2025. 1. Robots in the workplace. Robots are now working in factories, offices, and shops, doing tasks with great speed and care. They lift heavy boxes, place items, and even check quality faster than any human. They follow set patterns without stopping, helping companies save time and avoid mistakes every day. Smart robots read data, make changes, and fix problems before humans even notice them. In offices, they sort files, deliver packages, and help with phone calls and small tasks. This gives people more time to focus on creative thinking and human-to-human communication. Robots do not get tired, sick, or bored, making them perfect for long daily tasks. More companies are using them to support workers, not replace robots at home. At home, robots are now cleaning floors, cooking food, and helping people with daily chores. They follow commands, respond to voices, and move around furniture with smart and smooth steps. Some robots remind people to take medicine, feed pets, or turn off the lights. They help parents care for kids by reading stories or playing soft music at night. For older adults, they provide help with walking, talking, and keeping track of health needs. The home is becoming a smart space where machines make life calm and organized. These robots learn from habits and adjust actions to match what the person likes. Even small homes now enjoy luxury support thanks to helpful and gentle robot assistants. The dream of living with a helpful machine is now part of real daily life. Robots bring comfort, peace, and smart control into the heart of every modern household. 3. Robots in hospitals. In hospitals, robots help nurses and doctors by carrying supplies and guiding visitors around. They deliver food, medicine, and even clean rooms without getting in anyone's way at all. Some robots assist in surgery, holding tools steady and moving with perfect control and speed. Others take your temperature, blood pressure, and check oxygen without causing pain or waiting lines. They help keep records accurate and make sure nothing important is missed or delayed. Doctors use robots to monitor patients and alert staff if someone needs quick attention. This keeps care smooth, calm, and more focused on helping people feel better fast. Robots do not get tired or distracted, making them great partners in patient care. With more machines in healthcare, people get faster and safer help when it is needed. These robot helpers are making hospitals more efficient and more caring every single day. 4. Robots in education. In schools, robots now teach languages, solve math problems, and answer student questions quickly. They talk clearly, show examples, and adjust lessons based on each student's level and pace. Some robots help children with learning challenges by using gentle voice and kind responses. Teachers use them to guide small groups while focusing on students who need extra support. Robots can tell stories, show science tricks, and even help with reading practice at home. They never get upset or tired and can repeat lessons as many times as needed. This helps students feel calm and builds confidence in learning without any pressure or fear. Parents also use learning robots to make homework time more fun and organized. Education now includes both human care and smart support from these helpful teaching machines. Robots are becoming patient guides, helping every student grow at their own best speed. 5. Robots in restaurants. In restaurants, robots now greet customers, take orders, and deliver meals without making mistakes. They move smoothly between tables and avoid people with smart sensors in their bodies. Some cook simple dishes, flip burgers, or stir soup with great care and perfect timing. Robots wash dishes, clean floors, and keep kitchens organized and spotless throughout the day. They follow set recipes, exactly ensuring that every plate tastes and looks the same. Guests enjoy the fun of being served by a friendly, polite, and fast machine. This new way of dining saves money, time, and offers a fresh, futuristic experience. Chefs and staff still work behind the scenes while robots handle the routine tasks. The goal is not to replace humans, but to make food service more efficient. Robot waiters are now a common sight in many cities across the modern world. 6. Robots in construction. Robots now help build homes, bridges, and tall buildings with power and smart precision. They lay bricks, pour cement, and cut wood faster and more safely than humans can. With laser guidance, they follow blueprints without mistakes and adjust for changes in real time. Some robots fly above the site to take pictures and check for any danger. This helps managers see problems early and avoid costly delays or unsafe work areas. They also lift heavy tools and bring supplies where workers need them without wasting time. With strong arms and smart eyes, they do tasks that once took a full crew. This reduces injuries, saves time, and lets people handle the complex and creative parts. Robots and humans now build side by side, turning big ideas into real solid structures. Construction is faster, safer, and more modern thanks to these powerful robotic helpers. 7. Robots in security. Robots are now guarding buildings, streets, and events with smart cameras and calm behavior. They roll quietly at night, watching for trouble and alerting humans if something feels wrong. Facial recognition lets them check who enters and leaves without stopping or missing a face. They scan bags, check temperatures, and even talk to people kindly in case of concern. In big events, they help control crowds and give directions to keep peace and safety. Security robots never sleep, never blink, and do not get scared or distracted in danger. They send updates to guards showing real-time video and voice from anywhere they are. This means faster response and fewer problems in places. 8. Robots in space. Robots are helping astronauts explore space by doing hard and risky tasks outside the ship. They repair panels, study rocks, and collect samples while floating in deep space calmly. Some robots move like spiders across the surface of planets looking for signs of life. Others drill into ice or soil, sending back data for study here on Earth. They do not need food, air, or rest, making them perfect for space missions. Astronauts use them as helpers for building homes or labs in places like the Moon. These machines are the first explorers for future humans to follow and live in space. Their work is shaping the future of life beyond our planet and into the stars. Space robots are smart, steady, and full of courage in places where no one has been. They are our eyes and hands in the wide unknown sky above our world. 9. Robots in entertainment. Robots now dance, play music, and act in shows to entertain people of all ages. They sing in perfect tune, move in rhythm, and perform stunts with amazing balance and speed. Some robots are actors in films using smart faces that show emotions and funny reactions. They also host games, talk shows, and even help create animated movies and digital scenes. In theme parks, robots tell stories, guide guests, and play with children in fun ways. People enjoy the mix of technology and joy that these machines bring to entertainment. They do not forget lines, get tired, or miss a cue on stage or screen. Robots add magic, wonder, and surprise to events both big and small across the world. With every show, they get better at understanding how people laugh, sing, and feel joy. Robots are now stars in their own right, bringing smiles wherever they perform. 10. Robots and human life. Robots are not just tools, they are partners in every part of human daily life. They help us work, live, learn, travel, eat, stay safe, and even heal when needed. These machines support people, not replace them, making each task simpler, faster, and more accurate. Robots learn from us and adjust to help without taking away our freedom or spirit. They cannot love, cry, or dream, but they understand what people need and offer it quickly. Humans still lead with heart, while robots support with strength and steady, smart action always. Together, we create a world that moves smoother with balance between man and machine. In 2025, robots are everywhere, but always in the service of people and progress. The future is not cold or mechanical, it is full of help, support, and smart care. This is the age of harmony between human hopes and robotic hands that serve them. Auditoro. Robots in 2025 are part of our lives, working in ways we'd never imagined. They are not taking over in fear, but stepping in to offer helpful hands. From your job to your home, and even in the skies, they serve quietly. Their power lies in support, not control, helping people. Like and subscribe for more powerful insights.